Hi, I'm meteorologist Eddie Holmes, and this is your West Tennessee Weather Online weather briefing for Wednesday evening, January the 27th. And we continue to talk the winter weather prospects as a storm system approaches from the south and west, expected to bring a significant winter storm into our area. The greatest impact appears to be late Thursday night into Friday, and a winter storm watch continues in effect from Thursday night right on through Friday. Here's the outline for the winter storm watch area, and if you've been following our weather briefings, you know that now Middle Tennessee is under this winter storm watch. So much of the Mid-South area under the winter storm watch that's in effect from Thursday night on into Friday. Here's the current thinking from the National Weather Service. This is having to do with ice. The prospects for freezing rain and accumulating ice, you can see in the yellow areas. We're looking at along the Interstate 40 corridor, at least a quarter-inch ice accumulation will be possible. Outside of that, in the white areas, which as far as West Tennessee is concerned, would include the extreme southern portions of West Tennessee. But north of the Interstate 40 corridor, all the way up to about, roughly Paris, over to Dyersburg, you're talking maybe at least a tenth of an inch of an ice accumulation. So that's not a main problem, although it'll be a problem in itself. But of main concern will be that quarter-inch area that you see there, should this pan out the way things are looking. And the snow accumulation, snow and maybe some sleet. You can see the heaviest snow accumulations of at least 4 inches. This is going to be generally from Dyersburg over to Camden and points north, with even some higher snow totals up here in the northern portions of West Tennessee, the northern tier of counties. In the Lexington, Jackson, and northern Shelby County areas, up to the 4-inch line, we're looking for accumulations of 2 to 4 inches from the Weather Service. And then south of that line, Memphis Metro over to Savannah, and maybe up to Parsons, we're looking for 1 to 2 inches of snow accumulations. Right now, my thinking is that we're going to see even less ice and maybe more snow, and my thoughts are more of a line that looks like this, with greater than 6 inches of snow from a line of Camden, McKenzie, over to near Trenton, and then to south of Dyersburg. Everything north of that line seeing over 6 inches of snow. And then in a band that is delineated here in the purple, that would include part of the Jackson metropolitan area, we're talking 3 to 6 inches. And then below that, you can see in the light blue area, 1 to 3 inches of snow. But the key to this whole scenario of how it turns out with the uncertainties is, of course, the exact placement of the precipitation. And when the changeover from freezing rain does to frozen precipitation like sleet and snow, when that changeover occurs, all of that will affect the final accumulation totals. So again, the bottom line as we continue to look at the forecast and the data coming in is to stay abreast of the latest changes that are made to these forecasts, especially since icing is involved in the I-40 corridor right now. And that's a check of your weather briefing from West Tennessee Weather Online. Thanks for viewing today, and hope you have a very pleasant night.